Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to take one of this glass cutting board from Dollar Tree, the small one that they have, and I'm also going to take this hoop, so it comes in a middle hoop side set of three. Then I'm going to take this floral foam and I'm going to put some hot glue in each corner in the middle as well, and then place it right in on top in the middle. I'm going to take this extra piece because I'm only going to need one, and then just go ahead and place it in there. Then I'm going to take the ring and place it inside to make a little a hole like that, and then place some hot glue and then place it right on top like that. Then after that, we can leave it as that. To hold it into place, you're going to put more hot glue and you're going to put more fluorofoam. You're going to continue doing this all the way around it until you see that the ring attached perfectly fine. This is the key so it can stay very attached and it won't fall apart. Then after that, I'm gonna grab my flowers and place it inside. Make sure to grab a stick, place it inside the flower, and you can always put a little bit of hot glue to attach it into place, and then just attach it into the floor foam. Then I'm gonna grab two balloons, small balloons, and then just like that, twist it around like that. You're gonna put it like that, and then twist it so it can hold into the ring perfectly fine like that. And as you can see, it holds it fine, and the ring don't fall because you put a lot of floral foam and hot glue. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Super cute, super simple. This DIY are for simple crafter, someone that doesn't know how to craft very good. These are easy centerpieces that you guys can do for your party decorations. Now for the next idea, I'm just gonna go ahead and place a few balloon around it. You want to add more balloon. This is something that you guys can do. Make sure to make this balloon smaller as well. And this is how cute you guys it turns out. Simple and easy. It's the same thing, almost just different way that you guys can display it. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna take one of these boxes from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna spray paint them in gold. And then after I spray painted in gold, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my flower foam. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it like that, and then just go ahead and place it inside and attach it into place. Then I'm gonna take this balloon stick. I'm gonna use my balloon, the small balloon, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the stick like that. I'm gonna cut the balloon stick because I want it to be a little bit smaller like that. Just attach it to whatever size you want the centerpiece to look. I'm gonna add some greenery around it like that, and then I'm going to add flower on top like that. Just go ahead and continue putting your flower and balloon around them. I'm gonna use different colors. I'm gonna use some white and some pink, and I'm going to use some pink flowers and also some white flowers. Don't forget to use the stick to attach it into the flower, and let's not forget to put a little bit of hot glue so the flower don't fall apart. Then just go ahead and fill it up, and then you're just going to continue doing this, putting flower all the way around it until you do the whole thing in the floor foam. And you also, for this one over here, make sure the balloons to be small. The smaller I think, the better it will look like that. Just display like that. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. Super cute, super simple and easy that you guys can do for your next party decoration. This thing can be for any party theme DIY that you guys want to do. You can also add like little characters inside if you want to do like a different theme. It's up to you how you guys want to decorate it. Now this one is the taller version. You just put a candlestick and then just place it on top, and it's this is how it turns out. Super cute and easy as well. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly, and I hope you guys like this DIY video. Please do not forget to comment letting me know what you guys think of these DIYs.